Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Stockton again. I just wanted to come on here and show you about the assignment that I have for you. So the first thing you want to do is click on the map assignment here. So it's the Pacific Campaign of World War II. When you get to it, the next thing you're going to want to do is then come over here and hit copy map. So when you hit copy map, you would then make it a new title. If you are working with someone, you would then add their name. So I already did that. So I'm just going to hit cancel for a second. But I did mine and I named it Mrs. Stockton and Miss Walkuski World War II map. So if you are working with someone, like I did this one example of Cadence and Alicia map because they might work together. So we have that all set up. Then what you'll want to do is you have on here, let me X out of that so you can see all these different locations. And you can see that we have some in blue, and that happened more in the 1940s, so like 1944 through to 1945. And then we have the Manhattan Project that's happening throughout the entire war because we're trying to build up our nuclear war power. And then we also have the beginning part, which was Operation Watchtower, which that's in the beginning of like 1942, 1943. And then we go into Operation Cartwheel, which is the island hopping. On each of these, what you need to do is you need to add information. So you can add pictures, which if you're going to add a picture, you can type in like Battle of Savo Island. And then what you'll do is you will find pictures that go with it. So I added a map. You could add this one too. And then hit select. And now you can see that we have 3 different pictures, and then we could set save. You could say where the battle happened, when it happened, so you type that in. Let me give you an example like of the Santa Cruz Islands. I give you a lot of fill in the blanks, so you would hit edit, and this is where you would delete this information here and tell me when the battle occurred. It involved what people, what were the results. So you do that, and then you just always hit save. And then to add pictures, so for that one, you could put Battle of Santa Cruz, Cruz Islands. Hit enter, and then you can see, I don't know if we'll have any kamikazes because that might have been happening. This might be what those are. And then you would hit select, and you can add it in. You can see that they're taking out different, probably aircraft carriers, and then hit save. And then we have that added in. For the Manhattan Project, this one is, I think it's Little Boy, and then Fat Man is Nagasaki, so it was a little bit stronger. You can get information, pictures on the actual bomb, so you can add those in. So like if you wanted to hit Google search for that, you would put Fat Boy Nagasaki. And then we have the actual images of the atomic bomb. Hit select. The mushroom cloud is also there. So we could hit add another picture, mushroom cloud, hit select, and then that did not do the one I wanted. Let's add one more. I wanted the actual mushroom cloud. There it is. And then hit select. I don't know if, yeah, then we got the 3, and then you would hit save. And then I asked you some questions that you can answer. What happened on August 9th? Why do you think the US government dropped another bomb so quickly? Did the Japanese surrender after the second bomb? What were the after effects of the bomb? So each point of interest gives you more to do. When you have it all figured out and all set up, you will go back to Google Classroom. It should be in your drive because you saved it. You made a copy. In yours, I don't have this, but in yours, it will show student work. And then see how it says no attachments currently? What will happen is yours will have this box here that we've been talking about on the right, and you will click add assignment. And where it says that, you will add the map. And then when I go to your student work, that map will be there because you've added it in, which I'm already looking. Stephen Golden has an untitled map. So I'm hoping that this will work. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm here to help. All right. I miss you guys. Bye.